Top Safety Pick. This Chevrolet Equinox boasts a gas i4 2.4 liters/145 engine powering this automatic transmission. Wheels, 18, 45.7 cm, chromed aluminum, tungsten metallic. True North Edition includes UHQ, Chevrolet MyLink radio with navigation, UZ8, Pioneer Premium 8-speaker sound system and CF5, power sunroof. This Chevrolet Equinox comes equipped with these options: transmission, 6-speed automatic with overdrive, STD, sunroof, power, tilt sliding with express open and wind deflector. LT preferred equipment group includes standard equipment, jet black, premium cloth seat trim, engine, 2.4 liters OHC 4-cylinder seating, spark ignition direct injection, with VVT, variable valve timing 182 horsepower, 135.7 kilowatts, at 6,700 revolutions per minute, 172 pounds to foot, 232.2 Nm, at 4,900 revolutions per minute. STD, audio system, Chevrolet MyLink radio with navigation, 7 diagonal color touchscreen AM/FM/Sirius XM stereo with MP3 playback capability, GPS navigation system, outside temperature indicator and radio data system, RDS, includes Bluetooth streaming audio for select phones, voice-activated technology for radio and phone, audio system feature. Pioneer Premium 250-watt 8-speaker system includes mid-range speakers in each door, tweeters in A-pillars, a center channel speaker in upper IP and subwoofer on the rear shelf, wipers, front variable speed, intermittent with washer, wiper, rear variable speed, intermittent with washer, windows, power with express down on all 4 doors. The votes are counted as Top Safety Pick with optional front crash prevention. Top Safety Pick. Stop by today. Come in for a quick visit at Laird Wheaton, 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia V9T3L3 to claim your Chevrolet Equinox.